Do you want to go investigate the vacuum cleaner? Do you? What's this? You want to smell it? Okay, Rosco, come here. Rosco, see this? What's this? What is it? It's a vacuum cleaner. It's hard to reach. Oh, here. There you go. You got some chicken. Gonna make a noise. He's just staring at it. It's because it hits these bumps. Boom, boom. Big one. Boop. Yes, it's a vacuum cleaner. Whoa! He wants to play with it. What's that noise? Sit. Yeah. Oh. Let's go.
Let's go. Here.
You have to have to do something.
Let's go. Here.
Rosco! Rosco! Here! Oh, that's good, Julia.
Let's go.
Okay, stay still, Madison. We're trying to get him to go through.
You do it. It's okay. It's okay. Yay!
Yeah,
You did
pretty good.
Yes.
So Rosco was reluctant to go under the tube of the vacuum cleaner when my mom was vacuuming the floor, but he actually managed to go through without being too scared, and he's doing really well. Aren't you, Rosco? Yeah. You a little bit scared of the vacuum? Yeah. So we're now back in the living room because Rosco was getting a little bit scared of the vacuum as anticipated. So we're back in here now.